Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I am your dietitian. This week's video topic is all about avocados. Let's understand everything that you need to know about avocados. Avocado is one of the superfood which has to be included in your diet. So let's understand some health benefits out of it along with few interesting recipes which you can prepare it at home. We have heard about avocado toast and flaunt our trendy avocado smoothies. But do we even know what an avocado is? Is it a vegetable or a fruit? Is it a weight loss hero or it's just a diet hype? Admit it, some of you have really no idea. Avocados are actually a fruit with a fleshy pulp and a large single seed. Avocados have become a popular food among people following keto diet, which is also referred as ketogenic diet and Atkins diet. Now let's understand some health benefits of eating avocados. Avocados are loaded with nutrients and it is considered, as I already told you, as one of the superfood with nutrients like vitamin C, K, B, E and A. Avocados also a good source of dietary fiber which actually helps to reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes and obesity. And these are also considered as a great food for weight loss too. Avocados also contain high amount of potassium than banana. Potassium is a main health component that actually helps to promote your healthy heart contraction and also reduces the high blood pressure. Avocados also have some possible beauty benefits. So let's understand about it. These, when added to your diet, may promote a healthy complexion. Vitamin C may help reduce the skin inflammation, accelerate the wound healing, and soothe the dry skin. Avocado oil may boost the collagen production, which actually reduces the signs of aging. Isn't it interesting? Yes, some of, eating the avocados also have some downsides. So let's understand about it. Avocados contain high calories and high in fat. Yes, fat is really a good fat and which is really needed to include in the diet. But still, having it in higher amounts may give little downsides too. So, before adding it in your diet, please do consult a dietitian. You know what? There are few best ways to eat avocados. There are few avocado recipes and let's discuss about those amazing recipes now. We often see avocados are used as spread on toast, tossed into salads or blended into smoothie. But actually, this versatile fruit goes incredibly well with almost everything, including soup, salads, dips, desserts, smoothies, and also as an addition to breakfast or even on its own when sprinkled with salt and pepper. It really tastes amazing. Now let's understand few recipes which you can easily prepare at home with avocados. Firstly, avocado soup. To prepare this recipe, in a blender add 4 cups of any vegetable stock which you have stored along with 1/4 cup of lime juice freshly squeezed, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 2 ripe avocados, salt, cumin powder and few onions. You can even prefer like normal white onions or green onions too. Blend them into a smooth paste and if you want it to be hot, just heat the blended mixture in a pot on a medium heat. Please do not bring it to boil. You can add some diced avocados as toppings. It is really yummy recipe. Please do try it. The second recipe which I would like to tell you is about avocado toast. This can also be prepared very easily. For this you have to take 2 slices of multigrain bread or a brown bread and toast it on both the sides. The procedure is as per your own wish. Now scoop out the fleshy part of avocado and mush it on the toast. Squeeze some lemon, drizzle the olive oil on it, sprinkle some cilantro, and serve it immediately. It tastes yummy. And this third recipe which I would like to discuss is avocado salad. Take some chopped onions, tomato, cucumber, and avocado and also cilantro in a mixing bowl. Toss it gently and add some 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Drizzle with little of olive oil. Add salt and pepper. And it is ready to serve. You can have it either before your lunch or dinner, or you can even eat it for your evening snack or a mid-morning snack. It really tastes yummy. Please do try it. If you try any of the recipes which I have told in this video, please do comment about that, your experience in eating the recipes in the comment section below. I would be waiting for your responses. And if you are looking for any kind of weight loss packages, please do consult Apoorvadietstudio by commenting in the comment section below. I would reach you directly. And if you have liked this video, please do not forget to hit a like button. Share it with your friends here. It is, many of your friends and family will be waiting for this amazing videos too. So please do share it with them. And most importantly, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, why late? Hit a subscribe button below and hit the bell icon too to receive the latest videos at first itself. And I will meet you all guys next Wednesday. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit, and keep smiling always. Bye-bye.